Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 1999 Kawasaki Vulcan 800 Cruiser, VTwin power, liquid cooled, beautiful shape. Only 32,500 miles on this gorgeous two-tone VTwin 800 Cruiser. It's got a Mustang seat, passenger backrest, floorboards, saddlebags, brand new rear tire. This thing is in great shape. Come on by, make your VTwin Cruiser dreams come true for just $29.99. No financing available on this unit. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.